Hello friends, welcome to Electro Pixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electro Pixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 22-inch Samsung old model LCD TV. In this TV the complaint is backlight works for second then becomes no picture. Here in this TV the backlight is produced by the CFL tubes, so now in these days these CFL tubes are discontinued and we currently uses the LED backlights. While checking here we found backlight is okay. So in the power supply board the TV inverter IC is going to protection mode, that's the reason for no display problem. So let's start the repair. See friends, this inverter IC model number is SEM 2005. So to remove the protection we need to bypass the SEM 2005 IC pin number 1 with a LED to ground. See friends, here we connected one end of LED with IC pin number 1 and another end of LED with ground. So let's fix this power supply board after this modification and power on the TV and check the picture. Finally see friends, now picture comes and the TV started working back to normal. So that's it, hope you like our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching, have a nice day.